Well, I started going at my I'm going to call it my cross feed clutch rod, the tapered pinhole. Um, so I started going at it with a hand drill and burning stuff, getting ready to burn stuff up, and kind of got an idea about annealing. So I got that thing red hot, that tip, and got a 3.5 millimeter drill. I was going to use a 4 millimeter drill for my starting hole, and by golly, I started making chips. Wasn't sure if I was annealing it or if I was hardening it. I kind of suspected that I was hardening it, but I went on anyway. So I got that thing red hot, put it in the V block, stood over it with a hand drill, and I started making chips. And after I got that run through, I went ahead and got the 4 millimeter drill bit and proceeded to get that to go all the way through. And then I decided I better start filming this stuff. So I didn't start off planning on doing this, but I had good results. I think you'll agree. Well, sometimes you can't even drill a hole, so it's time to visit this another day. I can't believe this. It's embarrassing. Okay, guys. I don't know if what I did is going to work, but I need to choke up on this, that's for sure. I got a hole drilled. First I tried, I need to turn this. First I tried a 5 millimeter drill bit because I had a brand new one, and that didn't work, so I got a map gas torch and got this thing red hot. And in my mind, I'm annealing it. I don't know if I was hardening it or what I was doing, but I was able to get a 4.5 millimeter drill through there, and I'm cutting now. I was able to get a 4.5 millimeter drill in it, drill through using a hand drill in the V block and a vise. Okay, this is working. And where I say I did, I had a V-block and a vise and a hand drill. Okay, I want to get my, I'm going to keep it going the same direction and pull out. I'm not going backwards. I never quenched it. It's still hot. I'm going to grab my tapered pen and see how it goes in here. Okay, obviously I'm not there yet. Should be there. Where was I? Anyway, I didn't quench it. It's still cooling now, and it is cutting with this number 2 tapered reamer. And I'm going to withdraw it and try my pen. My pen, no doubt, is a bit deformed. Let me work on the tip of this pen a little bit. It should still be going in at this point. Well, all I can do, or what I can do, it's not all I could do, but what I can do is just keep running this reamer through there. This pen isn't made of any soft metal either. Okay, it's going in. Come on out now. So I'm going to keep on reaming it. I wonder if I should use my electric drill and ream this. Okay, I don't want to go any further than that because I think I want to see how far the original pen goes. I think I just need to keep doing it. I gotta take into consideration that the hole in the original hole is probably a bit wallered out. I can touch it now. Let me grab the knob. I should probably get a new tapered pin. Okay, I have it. I'm going to stop right there. I believe that I'm going to be able to drive that in the rest of the way. I'm right up to this opening. So I believe that's going to work. So I think the apron job can continue. It doesn't even look that bad because the thing I boogered all up ended up being the large size side. And you can see where I come out here on the back. And I think that's going to be about right. I think that's going to do the job. Well, I think I got a win here. I think that was the, with the exception of a lock washer, I need to disassemble the pump and install that lock washer. With the exception of that, the apron can go back together. And I don't know why I'm procrastinating on the gearbox. And, you know, well, I got to bring that motor in here, and I got to bring the crane in here. Well, so what? You know, just do it. So hopefully the next day or two, or the next day, I'll get the gearbox on, get the rest of the rear gears mounted, and start getting the apron assembled, and put on the machine, installed. That was the word I'm looking for. Okay guys, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, and thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate the comments. Yeah, I really appreciate the comments. So let's go out on a little here. Copper hammer, part 6.
The next step is going to be lapping all these individual pieces so they'll lay flat together. We have a center drill hole here. We need the center drill. And we can probably use that taper there for our center hole. Turn this on centers, give it the contour we want. We'll have this threaded 5/8 20. I have a tap to do this one 5/8 20. I want to do something that looks like this, where the handle disappears into the hammerhead. I'll probably do a couple practice runs of that with some different materials. I think it's just a matter of having.
So this is copper, and then we got brass, and these the three here in the center are some type of bronze or brass, some kind of brass alloy or perhaps bronze. So I put those in there for contrast. And when you're looking at the hammer in person,
kind of roughly.
It's sitting right here, actually. So I think you can see the contrast. A lot better here than you can in that video. It's getting used. I had to put a pin in there because I was banging it to pieces. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.